There we go. A little further. There it is. Quiet the sympathetic nervous system. And there it goes. Good job.
Good. Very good. Very good. Let completely exhale. Very good. Good. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Okay, chill. Very good. Very good. Excellent. All right, excellent.
Oh yeah. Did you feel that all the way down? Up in my hand. There you go. Yep, both sides. Oh yeah. Yeah, these crack addict fans are gonna love you. There we go, good girl. That's all I got. Maybe one more right here. Yeah. Okay, there it is.
Good. Stuff's coming from. Yeah.
Wide cervical rotary brake. Yep, just like that. Perfect. Oh yeah. Okay, just exhale. There we go.
One more deep breath. All the way up. There it is. Relax. Feel.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my
god. Sorry.
Oh my. Perfect. Good. And the other side? Good. Perfect. Good. Good. One more. There it is. Yeah. You're smiling. That's a good sign.
In here into the thoracic spine. Very good.
Oh.
Good.
Just like that. Okay, good. And there it goes. For me, good. And just make a nice little adjustment.
Good job.
Around here. Seeing through the area of. Very good. Okay. Very good.
Nice. That was very nice. Yeah. Perfect. Nice. Beautiful.
Whoa. Oh.
And down. Just let everything roll over.
Oh.
There you go. We want this one right here. Let that drop.
Oh.
Very good. Here we're palpating again, adjusting through the.
We're gonna go right into that. Very good. Down at the bottom of our neck at C6, C7. Bar joints. Very good.
Good. Good. Wow. Good. 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 Good.
Holy cow.
That moved awesome.
Relax there for me, good. Beautiful. And then right here, we'll go ahead and adjust.